Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. These are the phases of mitosis, not a romantic notion, just cold, hard science. And I wish my mom had been a biology teacher, wish she had found her bliss at the end of a scalpel dissecting fetal pigs, instead of the end of a pen dissecting her own life. See, scientists are neat. They pick up after themselves. Writers, we're messy. We leave pieces of ourselves everywhere. She left pieces of herself everywhere. In journals, on old calendars, in the headers of Reader's Digest, and I wish I were a better biology student, could culture all the healthy pieces of her DNA, recreate perfect double helixes, and bring her back again, whole. Prophase, the chromosomes shorten, coil, and become distinct. Metaphase, they align along the center of the cell. Anaphase, they move towards opposite poles. Telophase, the nuclear envelope forms over each cell until cytokinesis. The two cells are complete and separate. But there's a step before prophase, not included in the group. It's only the living part of the cell's life. But living isn't as significant as division, so we forget about it. There are days I forget my mom was alive because her death was so significant. This living period is called interphase. This is where a cell rests and grows and does everything a healthy cell should do. It takes up the final 24 hours of a cell's life. 24 hours before my mom's death, she was resting. I know this. I was lying next to her. The rise and fall of her chest that morning is the most poetic, scientific, and significant experience of my life as I watched her slip into the cycle of interphase, gap 1. The cell grows to twice its size, collecting nutrients. Her body swelled up to twice its size, retaining water. Synthesis. The cell creates its 2 sets of DNA. Her 2 sets of DNA, her children, never left her deathbed. Gap 2. The preparation for the final cell division. We were not prepared for her final division. Prophase. She shortens and coils. Metaphase. We align along the center of the room to say our goodbyes. Anaphase. We turn off the machine and she moves towards a pole opposite us. Telophase. Her skin grows cold. Her chest stops rising and the thin film envelops her eyes until cytokinesis. Her life is complete and separate.